Imagine your car suddenly losing power when you are trying to merge onto a highway or the engine starts stumbling just as you are pulling away from a red light. That sinking feeling is usually followed by a check engine light. And if you scan it and find a P2154 code, we need to talk about your fuel injectors. This code specifically points to a fuel injector Group C circuit high condition. And while it is a generic powertrain code that you will see on everything from a Dodge Ram Cummins to a Mercedes Sprinter, the way your specific car groups those injectors is key. The engine control module has noticed a voltage value that is way too high in the supply circuit for a specific set of injectors labeled as Group C. Now, I have spent a lot of time under hoods, and I can tell you that, because these wiring harnesses are often tucked right next to the hottest parts of the engine. They take a beating from the constant heat cycles. Most of the time, this is actually a mechanical failure or physical damage to the wires rather than a computer glitch. This is a serious one because it leads to a lean condition, which is just a fancy way of saying your engine is not getting enough fuel. Running lean is dangerous because it makes the internal temperatures skyrocket, which can melt pistons or ruin valves if you let it go. You might notice your idle is all over the place, your fuel economy is tanking, or your car just flat out refuses to climb a steep hill. To fix this, you first need to find which injectors are in Group C for your specific model by looking at a service manual. Get those engine covers off and look for any wires where the insulation has rubbed away. If you find a short, do not just tape it up. Use some proper shrink tube to seal it for good. Also, check the valleys where the injectors sit because water or oil can pool there and corrode the connectors. A quick spray with some electrical contact cleaner can do wonders for a flaky connection. If everything looks okay visually, grab your multimeter and set it to measure resistance to perform a continuity test between the engine control module and the injector. If you see a resistance value that is higher than what the manufacturer specifies, you have found the break in the line that is causing all your headaches.